Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE V Max and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then just tap here to the display section. Then tap to wallpaper and select your new wallpaper from, for example, the default wallpapers. You could use them from here, or to click to my photos and to use your Google photos from the Google Drive. So just previously photo taken on your device camera. Let's reuse one from the available wallpapers. Tap on the left upper corner and click to lock screen. Just wait a second. So let's lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the home screen of your phone, then tap to wallpapers icon, and by the same way, just select another wallpaper, click to the left upper corner, tap to lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.